Sony has just announced their new budget-friendly headphones. We are talking about the new WF-C510. This is a small update on the previous model, which was the WF-C500, and they have a very minimalist bud design without any kind of tube. They will be available in 4 different colors, all in pastel shades: white, yellow, blue, and black. These headphones have the IPX level of water and dust resistance, are made of plastic, and do not have active noise cancellation, which is why I tell you they are entry-level headphones from Sony. However, they do have an ambient mode that allows you to use the headphones' microphones to hear the outside more clearly. These headphones promise 11 hours of battery life, and the case can recharge them once, so they would offer a total of 22 hours. It offers Sony technologies such as DSE, which attempts to recover any type of loss that the audio may have experienced when transferred via Bluetooth. So it is an algorithm that improves audio quality. It also supports Audio 360, a technology that Sony has been promoting for many years. The launch price of these headphones announced for the USA is $60. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies just to give you an idea. But remember that the prices here are not the same as those over there. Let me know also if you like these headphones and what you think of their price.